G'day guys, in this video I'm going to show you a really easy way how to troubleshoot automated messages, emails, that sort of stuff going out to contacts in situations where you don't know what's sending these messages. Could be an automation and you're just really trying to figure out how to get to the bottom of it. Let me show you in the account. It's actually a really easy way to investigate this stuff. So here we have an example of a customer and we've got a bunch of emails that's gone out, right? And we want to know, okay, well, where these emails send out manually, where these emails send out through automation. Here is how you find out. So here we have an email here, which is a reminder email for a particular calendar meeting. If you click on these three dots at the end of the line for that email action, and by the way, that works for SMSs as well, anything that goes out into this middle view, you click on those three dots here, and you click on details. And this is going to give you this pop-up, and you'll be able to see who was it sent from, who was it sent to, what's the email addresses. Okay, great. Was it inbound message by the customer? No, in this case, it's an outbound message, and date and stuff. But what's really exciting is this will also show you that this particular email was sent out by an automation. And which automation, you may ask? Well, here is a really simple hyperlink in blue. So if we click on this, that's going to take you to that specific automation that sent it. So from here, we can do whatever we need to do to optimize that. We need to maybe adjust the automation triggers. All right, so here we go. So we are in the automation now. And so from here, we can really easily see what we need to do. Maybe we need to, maybe this has gone out to way too many content. Maybe it's an email campaign that you've pre-configured through an automation and you've stuffed up and put a wrong trigger setup, which ended up sending that email to everybody. I don't know. Could be many different scenarios. So from here, you can obviously fix it. You can go to triggers. You can adjust your trigger settings and all that stuff. Or maybe it's the email itself. Maybe you didn't like the email, the copyright. It's not quite good. Maybe you've missed something in the email or whatever. You just got to go to the right action. Again, I don't know what your automation is going to look like. I'm just giving you an example, right? So if I wanted to troubleshoot or fix an email, for example, this one, I could just click on the email action. Let me just move myself away. And then from here, I can see what the email copy is and I can adjust it, right? I can change whatever I need to change. I'm not going to go too much into how it goes into building workflows because we got a whole bunch of other tutorials on that. But as a troubleshooting tool to be able to figure out what email is being sent by what automation, being able to go directly into that automation and then to troubleshoot which action you need to fix, it's super easy. I will show you one more thing, and that is if you want to look at a specific contact that the automation has gone through and what particular actions, if you want to see which actions the contact has actually received or if there was any errors, or if you have a split branch set up like this and you want to know which branch did the contact gone through and that sort of stuff, you can do all that really easily as well. So you just need to click on execution logs right here. And that's going to take you to this screen and you can see all the contacts or a particular contact. If you want to look at a contact specifically by list of contacts, you can do that here as well. And then from here, if you go to the end of that line, you can see this little icon. And if you hover over it, it says see contact execution path. So if you click on that, here is what happens. It's going to take you back to the automation, but now everything is highlighting. See how it's pulsing, like green pulsing? So this is a specific path that specific contact has gone through. And you can kind of follow it. So you can see, okay, they've gone here. Do they have this particular tag? No, so they've gone down this branch. And you can easily see how that journey went for them through the automation. And then also you can go back to the execution logs by clicking on back button and go to the view execution history. And this is going to show you for that particular contact, it's going to show you the full list of all the actions that happened. And you can see which actions have finished, which actions executed, and that sort of stuff. And you can actually click on details, and this will give you more context. So if there was, sometimes you'll see a status as error, like in red, and that's, particular action, many reasons why. Again, maybe you've got a misconfiguration in your workflow and you really need to fix it. This will allow you to do all that. You just click on details, you get to learn exactly what you need to fix, and happy days. So that's it for this quick tutorial on how you can troubleshoot emails, how you can figure out which email is being sent by what automations and what you need to do. As always, if you have any questions, please contact our customer support. We've got a whole bunch of options. Head over to standoutfromthepark.com.au/support. We have self-help options for you available, as well as 24/7 live chat with 60 seconds latency. So the guys will jump on to chat with you pretty quickly and help you solve any problems you have. And aside from that, keep an eye out on our upcoming masterclasses that we run, where you can learn more strategic implementation of any of our tools that drive growth in your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Subscribe for more tips on harnessing the power of smart automation and AI in your business. Stand out, grow, and prosper with us.